which shows that there are peddlers in the society still. Again, it was yesterday a parent has come to me and again showed concern that there is behavioral change in their children and action has to be taken, which shows that there are consumers still, there are students who are still vulnerable, and you are all among that. And then there is one story. There is this girl who committed suicide yesterday. Then we started looking into the reasons as to why she has committed suicide. This girl, minor, she has got into habit of friends with some music band. They were into that music troupe. So some of them in the troupe, they are addicted to drugs. This girl was misused. Over a period of time, that complaints came to the police station. Police have also informed them. Then after that, suddenly this girl was abused. She becomes pregnant. Then she committed suicide. Now, when I say that on one side, when parents keep coming to us and keep explaining us their issues, this is one place or one instance where parents definitely knew about them and what is happening, why the girl is coming late, and they are watching her coming late, but nothing was done by them. And after that, everybody starts crying and then asking to take action against the fellow who is responsible. But then from my side, I definitely felt that the responsibility lies on the girl's parents as well, who did not act in time when they knew well before, more than 1 year before, they do nothing about it. And after that, they come and keep on shouting that you have to take action on somebody, which anyway we will take, we took also. Oh, there is a lot of work to be done. And now, here, people from the society, they keep on calling me and keep giving complaints as to where drugs are sold, and we keep arresting. But in the same area, some 6 months ago, one funny incident happened where parents and some students and some people from the society, including a lawyer, all of them, they went and started protesting in front of a college where they were asking students to undergo some drug test. So if this is the situation, though there is improvement, situation is actually alarming and needs attention. See, there are students who are still using drugs, there are peddlers who are still supplying, there are parents who are still unaware of what is happening to their children, and there are parents who still keep on supporting their children and try to put pressure on the colleges not to do it, and there are colleges who are still hesitant to do drug testing.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್, ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ.
That's my gadget. Let's go have some fun then.
Introducing the hot and techy Brezza SCNG. Cool new SCNG tech for a cool new generation.